It's the Boat Geeks with Darren and Darren.
We're the Boat Geeks, whatever floats your boat.
Hey, Darren here with the Boat Geeks. We're just coming into Edmonds on the ferry. We're heading up to Marysville and the Slumber Ease Mattress Factory, where we're going to see our new custom V-Berth mattress being made. So this is the factory, huh?
Yeah, welcome. This is where the magic's going to happen. The guys are already working on your mattress for your daughter.
Oh, good.
And you'll be able to see those final stages and how that comes together, and we'll show you a couple processes through the building.
Now, for the people at home, we're like only 3 or 4 blocks from the showroom where you fitted us for the new mattress, right?
Yeah, very close. It'd probably take you a whole minute to get here. During the fitting over there, we determined a firmness, a weight-bearing firmness, okay? On the surface, the depth there was determined by your daughter's shape of her body. So her body dictated these things. So when we come over here, we're going to start off, be it a spring or a foam core or whatever it is, a firmness that we determined over there, a weight bearing. Everything that we use going into your mattress will be made exclusively in the United States. Nothing is going to be imported. With your particular mattress, we're working from a pattern, which a lot of different compound angles and such. So the crew members here of the company have been here a long time. This is not something that you learn overnight. So when you're finished with this, your mattress is going to fit perfectly. As far as production of boat mattresses, probably 80% of what we do is custom. Your boats, your RVs, and those kind of applications. Very specialized. We are the people who do it the right way.
So that was pretty cool. Once the mattress is finished, we'll take it back to the boat, put it in Axel's cabin, and she will sleep on it.